Hello, good morning. My name is Richard Ali and I'm the Executive Director of Engaging Borders SRD. SRD stands for Strategy, Research and Development, which is exactly what we do. We're a company, a not-for-profit company that is centered on carrying out research, emphasizing strategy for development. I'd like to tell you about our newest project, which is called the Dilimi Project. The Dilimi Project is centered on Plateau State and Kaduna State, and we want to get young people at the center of the conversation on natural resource management, peace building, and de-escalating conflict in our communal societies. As you know, Plateau State in the north central region and Kaduna State in the northwest are representative of a lot of threat profiles around the farmer-herder clashes, and religious tensions here and there. So what we would like to see is to see if we can have a conversation on how natural resources are managed in order to bring out the greatest amount of wealth and well-being for all the people who depend on these natural resources, whether they are rivers, whether it's farmland, whether it's wind energy, whether it's solar, whether it's even the value addition process. So what we want to do over this 8-month period is to get this vibrant 60 young people from both states to engage in this conversation and this intercourse of ideas, and would also get them to promote their own ideas through a community of practice that we will establish. We would have a podcast series talking to young policy voices from these places who would be able to give the more high-level aspect of this. We would have executive roundtables, we would have a mini documentary, all of this in an exciting 8-month period, and I can't wait to see you. If you're a young person from Kaduna State or Plateau State, take a moment to look at the application form below and send in your application. Together, we can do great things if we stay engaged. Thank you.